If you are getting error that says entered amount seems to be too high, here are some possible reasons why you might be getting the error message, entered amount seems to be too high. On the Ola app, the amount you have entered may exceed the maximum limit for Ola payments. There may be a problem with the Ola app or payment gateway. Your bank account may have insufficient funds. There may be a discrepancy between the amount you entered and the actual amount charged by Ola. Here are some things you can try to fix the error message. 1. Check the maximum limit for Ola payments. The maximum limit for Ola payments varies depending on your payment method. You can check the maximum limit by going to the Ola app and tapping on the Payment Options tab. 2. Try using a different payment method. If you are using a debit card or credit card, try using a different card or payment method. You can also try using Ola Money. 3. Check your bank account balance. Make sure that your bank account has sufficient funds to cover the Ola ride. 4. Contact Ola customer support. If you have tried all of the above steps and you are still getting the error message, you can contact Ola customer support for further assistance. Here are some additional tips to help you avoid getting the error message, entered amount seems to be too high, : Avoid entering amounts that are higher than the maximum limit for Ola payments. If you are using a debit card or credit card, make sure that you have sufficient funds in your bank account. If you are using Ola Money, make sure that your Ola Money wallet has sufficient balance. Keep the Ola app up to date by installing the latest updates. Avoid using the Ola app during peak times. If you are experiencing frequent errors, try using a different internet connection. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Techsor for more videos.